Hey there everyone, welcome back to CODTECH. Today I'm excited to present you a fantastic opportunity. At CODTECH, we currently have 7+ job openings available. So if you're looking for a first full-time job or switching into a new career, CODTECH might be the best fit for you. Let's look at how to apply and take next step in your career. Okay, now let's go to www.codtechitsolutions.com. Okay, you have to enter this particular page. This is the page you will get. Now quickly go for careers and full-time job. Now as soon as you click on here, you can see there are job roles available in here. We are hiring. Okay, now you can see the description here: full stack web development and also software developer AI integration. These are the roles that we currently have at CODTECH IT Solutions for a full-time job role. So let's look at the description. Okay, CODTECH IT Solution. Okay, you can see here. You can see the location is remote here, but it's also hybrid and also on-site also. Okay, the salary package is this much and job is full-time, 0 to 2 years experience. Okay, it's a fresher job also. You can check all the responsibilities, requirements and benefits of this. Okay, now let's see for the full stack web development. Now just fill all the details. Okay, now what inspired you to pursue a career in front-end development and what specific projects or experiences have fueled your passions for this field? Before this, we have attached resume. Okay, now I highly suggest you to go and watch our how to build a professional LinkedIn profile and how to make or build a professional resume for your job applications. These videos are available on our YouTube channel. I'll link them in the card and in the description too. Go and watch them before applying because those are essential part of you getting selected in our CODTECH IT Solution full-time employee job. Okay, definitely watch them and make sure your resume stands out from the others. Okay, now as soon as you have watched those videos and completed your resume, come back here and attach resume and just go and just add your resume over here. I'm adding my resume. And now you need to fill this particular description over here. This makes a lot of difference and this might be also the reason that you'll get this particular job role. Okay, now what you need to do here is, if you don't know how to do this, just go and ask ChatGPT or any other AI tool that you are familiar with. Just ask it, it will give you a nice description. Okay, now let's see how to do that. So as you can see, I have asked ChatGPT about this. I'm applying for full stack web developer role. So this is the question they asked me. Now what should I give reply as? Just ask it. As you can see, it gave a long description for me. It's your wish. You can simply do this, or also I suggest you do not do this. You use it. Okay, I'm not saying you shouldn't use it, but also change it a bit. All right, add your own experiences, add your own ideas in it, add what you have done in it. Okay, it's just an example how you can do this, but it's not the complete way of doing it. Okay, do your own thing, but make sure your particular description stands out and your experience or any projects that you have done stands out. Okay, after you have done that, just click on submit application. As you can see, we have successfully applied and we aim to respond within 48 hours. As you can see, once you have applied, you will get a response within 48 hours. If you do not get a feedback or any response within 48 hours to your email, then that means your application has rejected or they didn't select you for this particular job role. Now do not be disappointed. Okay, you can always apply for future job roles at our company. That is no big deal. And also before closing out the video, let's go for this another role. As you can see, this is a software developer AI integration particular job role. Okay, now same thing, all you have to do is fill your details and enter the same description, like not the same, but ask the ChatGPT about the different description or add your own description here, attach your resume and submit. This is the same process, and after you completed that, you will get the same reply as this one. Now, as it is mentioned here, if you aren't shortlisted, do not be disappointed. There is always future opportunities for you. Always look at our company job roles, and I personally or our company team will definitely update you on new job roles or new internships and a lot of opportunities for you. So like, subscribe, comment and share this particular video and subscribe to our channel so that you'll get a lot of job opportunities and also internship opportunities and various job role opportunities from our side. Now I hope you will get that particular job role. And also if you have any queries, mention in the comments. And also if you got a job at our company, mention in the comments too. I would like to know which role you actually got. Now, thank you for watching our video and all the best for your particular job role at our company.